In the heart of Koinadugu district, Kabala town stands as a growing hub of culture, trade and governance. But as the town expands, so do the challenges of development. What is being done to address key issues like infrastructure, healthcare and economic growth? To find out, I sat down with the chairman of the Koinadugu District Council.
I'm Lawrence Teteh, Chairman, Koinadugu District Council.
With local governance playing a crucial role in development, I asked the chairman about the council's top priorities for Kabbalah.
Our priority here is to see that my people live happily, they have good health, they have good and pure drinking water, and also they can live in a very conducive houses, and also the township and their environment to make sure it is clean.
But how transparent is the council in handling these projects? I posed the question.
Upon receiving it, we engage the radio, explain to them about the funds, how it is allocated. Sometimes we have 2 billion loans, but all those 2 billion loans are being distributed according to sectors. So we explain to the public, each sector, what is their allocations and what they are entitled to and what is the money meant for.
One of the biggest concerns for residents is infrastructure. The roads connecting Kabbalah to surrounding villages are critical for trade, transportation, and daily life. I asked the chairman about the council's plan for road improvements.
Currently, we are constructing some culverts and funds we got from RMFA, that is the Road Maintenance Fund Administration, and which is also coming from government. And those culverts are currently ongoing, and we've gone 90 to 95%. I think they are trying to do a kind of backfilling now. And also, we have constructed 7 lockable stores. That is funds from our own local revenue. As a council, we raise those revenue, and we say we cannot wait for government, and government cannot do everything. And even if government goes, government comes, they cannot do everything. We as council is a kind of decentralization. We have to take responsibility. So the revenue we raise from the community, from the house rates, the shops, the mining, we decided to construct 7 lockable stores. And those stores have already been completed and awaiting official reopening of those stores to the public.
Beyond roads, the availability of clean water and stable electricity are essential for any growing town. How is the council tackling this issue?
There are ongoing projects. Electricity is one that is ongoing. And to me, and the way I'm looking at it, is about 65 to 70% ongoing now. And we have held a lot of meetings with stakeholders, and we received team from Ministry of Energy, and they came here, and they're also pushing to see that we have our lights working properly in Koinadugu now. And I think it has been so long, and the people of Koinadugu has been waiting to see that we have light. But and the level it is going now, to me, I have hope and I have confidence that we'll have our light very soon.
As Kabbalah's population grows, so does the demand for quality education. Schools are filling up and resources are stretched thin. Beyond education, healthcare remains a pressing concern. Many rural communities struggle with access to medical services. What is being done to address this gap?
The Minister of Health is devolved under council, and all their funds comes through council, and we supervise their activities. And also their allocation comes through we, and we approve whatever activities they want to implement. We do approval. So as a council, currently I want to be specific on the Kabbalah Government Hospital. We're proud to the entire public to say we have 24 hours electricity, and the hospital challenge that this is one of the most cleanest hospital in the country. If you go there now, you see a lot of cleanliness, and it's a lot of things going on, and we have our oxygen plant, and we can no longer wait for to say we have to wait for electricity or wait for blah blah. No, no. We have our own electricity and we have our own oxygen plant where we generate our own oxygen and we take them to the world. And we have a lot of things going on. And what we want to embark on now currently is the fencing. The Kabala Government Hospital fence is an aged fence that was constructed by MSF, I think, um, 20 to 25 years back. Right. So there are some areas that already collapsed. So we want to embark on it. And we don't want to wait for government. We want to do it as a district. So we've started. If you go there now, you see piles of stones, you see piles of granites and sands, and it's local initiative. We donate, stakeholders come in and donate. Recently, we received our son also, who is a minister, Napoleon. He also came in and supported us with 100 bags of cement and 1 ton of iron rod. And we as council also contributed our own to the Kabbalah Government Hospital. So we want to champion it as a council and we want to champion it as stakeholders. We don't want to wait for government.
Kabala's economy thrives on small businesses and agriculture. But how is the council supporting entrepreneurs and farmers?
We distributed a lot of machines, yeah, to farmers, and we also distributed. These are some of the pet farms. Yeah, we gave some allocations to the Ministry of Agriculture, seedlings, and also some tools to farmers. Yeah, so in terms of farming, I think we are well known and we class ourselves to be number one. We don't think any district will challenge us in terms of farming, both vegetables and other farming. I think we are proud of that. And currently, we are faced with little challenges. The number one challenge that I would say here is that the combined harvesters, yeah, they're actually not enough for the districts and appealing that they actually support the district with combined harvesters.
Tourism also has great potential in Kabbalah, with its rich cultural heritage and beautiful landscapes. What plans does the council have to promote tourism?
We've been working together with other stakeholders. Falcon is a local organization. Last year, you will attest that, or maybe others will attest that, I declare the Warara Mountain free. Nobody pays. Yeah, nobody pays to climb and come down. I made that pronouncement and it works. And we provide all the necessary things that we are supposed to be there as if they are paying for it. We provide sets and we ensure that we have electricity on New Year's Eve. And we make sure we make the path very clear and people find it very easy to climb and come down again. Koinadugu, you don't know why it is called the land of powerful mixture. It's not because of the touristic attraction only. We have different tribes, but we do mix together, we work together regardless of our political indifference. When we talk about development, we all come together and we work and we push development before. We forget about politics. If you come here December 30th, you see me working with Napoleon. He is SLPP. I'm from the APC. But we work together, we discussed it. He didn't say Lawrence Teteh Kargbo is APC and he is the chairman here, I will not support him. No, he look at development. And this, you can only find it here in Koinadugu. You'll never see it in other districts because our own aim is to push development.
One critical question remains: are donor-funded projects truly sustainable, or is community-driven development the way forward? I asked the chairman about this balance.
We do stakeholders engagement and we also move to the community and explain to them about the functions, the role, the responsibility of councils. Whatever we receive from NGO or our government, we also make it known to the people. That's the way I want to drive my council and that is the way I've been doing.
As the sun sets over Kabbalah, the town's future remains a work in progress. Roads are being built, schools are expanding, and healthcare is improving. But challenges persist. The journey to sustainable development is long, and it requires collective effort from the council, community members, and development partners. For Beline Media Empire, Benedict Abubakar Conte reporting from Kabbalah.